We're back on our normal diets again, back having hamburgers and fish burgers. In this week's Parsha Shmini, we learn exactly what those signs are to have a kosher hamburger and those signs, of course, of having a kosher fish burger. We'll focus on the fish this week. The Torah teaches us you need two signs, scales and fins, to be a kosher fish. However, when you open up the Talmud in the section that talks about kosher fish, the Mishnah says something similar but subtly different. It says, Kol sheyesh lo kesis, any fish that has scales, yesh lo senaper, also will have fins. However, not every fish that has senaper fins will have scales. So the Talmud asks a very obvious question. So wait a sec, you're making this very bold statement that any fish that has scales automatically is going to have fins. So stop right there. First of all, how would the Tanoim of the Mishnah even know that? They were not marine biologists. We're talking about 1,500 years ago. We know science has advanced much, much further, and yet today, that theory is still true. And so we see from this is one of the amazing, amazing proofs that the Torah Sheba'al Peh is also from the heavens. So having said that, why is it the Torah writes that the fish need both sides? It needs both scales and it also needs fins. And the Talmud asks that question. Why is it? What's fins adding to it? And the Talmud answers a very interesting answer. It says, V'yagdil Torah v'yadir. You have a chance now to make the Torah great and also beautiful. V'yagdil Torah, to make it great, v'yadir, and beautiful. Well, what kind of answer is that? And why is it specifically that these fish have to have scales and fins? So symbolically, we know that all of us really need both. Right? Scales on a human level, scales, thick skin, means what do we stand for in life? What's our integrity? What's our value system? The rabbis teach us that a Jew has to have a moral fabric that is connected to and is congruent with the values of the Torah. Sometimes we wear glasses, we look at the world one way, and the Torah says, try on these glasses, this is the way you should look at the world. Integrity, Torah integrity, is meaning have thick scales, good thing, because so many times in life we're tempted. There are temptations out there that will challenge our moral fabric, and we have to look at the Torah to decide, should we be going to the left or going to the right? Which direction should we be going? However, that's not good enough. Fins for a Jew is ambition. Symbolically, a Jew can only travel when he's ready to move forward in life, moving upstream often and against the current. We need integrity and ambition. Oftentimes we'll see someone who's got incredible integrity, but not a lot of movement there, not a lot of fin movement there. Not kosher. Nice, but not kosher. Can't eat it. And sometimes, and more often than not, we'll see someone who has tremendous ambition, but a lack of integrity. For sure, that's not kosher. We need both. We need both integrity, scales, and also ambition, we need fins. And so as we move through these days of the 49 days, working our way up to Shavuos, counting the Eimer, you'll notice we're counting upward, not downward. It's a time of tremendous aliyah for a Jew to come into becoming a whole person, so that when it comes to the 6th of Sivan and we're ready to receive the Torah, we're there with ourselves, b'shleimus, with our full potential. And as a Jew who has integrity, but not focusing on his actions, that's not kosher. This is the time to focus on our ambition, to be connected to the community, to be working on our relationships with our family, to be ambitious about the things that we can do to improve our world and to improve our relationships with other people. This is the time to do it, to be steadfast in our integrity and to move forward in our ambition, so that when we get to Shavuos, v'yagdil Torah v'yadir, our fins will take us there. That's going to make the Torah great and it'll make it beautiful. Have a wonderful Shabbos.